and I turn it on. Watch these lights. They flash, but then I said, hey yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. Hey, how y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, that's what's up, man. I'm gonna probably be dropping this on Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to y'all. I hope y'all eating good. Hope y'all with the fam, or however you plan on, you know, celebrating these holidays, you know what I'm saying? Respect. But I hope all is well with y'all, man. I hope you're getting everything that you deserve right now. And I hope that you just succeeding in accomplishing any goal that you have set for yourself, man. But hey, if everything ain't going right now, man, just wait. 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week. Hey, we only about got like a month left in this year. I mean, so maybe next year, man, you could definitely be in a better situation. So, hey, chin up, keep trucking, man. Woo, hey. All right, man, so today, we gonna be pretty much trying to get this thing back together, back cleaned up. Y'all see I've been working and, you know, not pretty much finishing everything up besides, you know, like the tail lights and everything. We do got them locked in, but man, we need to get in here in this interior, and I want to get this stuff back all hooked up right, and, you know, get my seats back there locked in. This camera's just, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to be doing that. And the main thing we're going to be doing in this video is getting this console wired up. Now, you know, I do got my other cup holders in. I did fry these, you know what I'm saying? And we also got something else today that I'll show y'all. But yeah, man, so we're gonna be pretty much getting all this stuff together, man, and putting this wire loom on these wires, and just to kind of get everything like lined back up right, man. I mean, at least looking better than how it is. Everything is just everywhere. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and pull her out, man, and I'm gonna just probably take out most of the seats, probably the front seats and everything, so I can make sure that I get that carpet down correctly right here. And then when I get to wiring up or doing the console, then I'll just pull y'all back in, man. All right, so let's go ahead, and I don't even know where I'm starting at, but hey, we just gonna jump on something and Charlie Mike from there. Let's get it. Started in a few days, man. We just about to get her right, start showing her a whole lot more love than what she got going on. I left that turn signal on, but I like seeing that right there, baby. I like seeing that right there, baby. Yes, sir. All right, let's get to work. All right, y'all, so we got everything, all the trim put back in here and all. I had to, what I was doing was I had to pull this carpet back this way some, because you know, it was kind of flipping out from under the trim. So we got that done, got all our pieces back in and all. So the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do, while I do got the seats out, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wire up that console. So I did have some other little things over here that we just got. We got to pretty much get all this ready to be, it's pretty much ready to be wired up, just, you know, powered. And we got to change the cup holders on it. I also got a little other few things that I want to try, see how that's gonna look, man. But we got a little radio, a little Bluetooth, pretty much old fashioned style radio. We're gonna try to put this in the car, man, and see how it works out. I probably won't hook it all the way up right now, because I'm truly not ready for music. I mean, we'll see how it goes. But man, let's go ahead and get to it, wire this thing on up and get it ready to go inside. All right, y'all, so I kind of added a few little touches on it. Y'all see that little orange strip right there? We just used those little things and the little chrome pieces around the edge. Could have did it a little bit better, but I think it looks a whole lot better than it did. And I think, yeah, I think we is probably gonna go back with that orange pin striping. Just kind of wanted to see how it looks, man. It's pretty cool. So we got everything wired up. Got our new cup holders in. Did get the door in. I need to adjust it a little bit. I need to adjust it, but we did get that locked down. All right, man, so let's go ahead and get this thing in the car, man. All right, so we got this thing up in here, and I just pulled my speaker wires just up through there for the time being. But pretty much what we got right here, for the side lights, the cup holders, and the on and off button, we have our grounds and our power. And then for the charger, it's over here. Now what I'm thinking about doing is, for the charger, since I'm not going to be using a cigarette lighter, what I'll do is I'll probably just take those wires from there and put it on for the charger. I'm sorry, y'all, I was just looking at something. And then we're gonna run our power for our key on source over here to the fuse box, and we just gonna drop our ground somewhere. I probably ground it where I got the cluster grounded at under there. All right, man, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we got everything hooked up. I did change it up because I realized that cigarette lighter is a constant 12 volts, and I didn't want it on constantly, like when I cut the car off, and you know, that's gonna be something that just keep draining the battery. All right, so let's give it a try. Hook the power up. Over. I see that is on. I don't know, it might just. All right, now I don't see my other lights coming on. That's why you test fit everything before you start doing it. All right, because I see my little power light right here on, but it's not giving the power to my Let me lift this up and check this out, y'all. Give me a second. All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly. So what I found was that like one of my ground wires back there, it was loose. And y'all seen that orange light coming on over there, right? All right, so now when I turn it on, boom, y'all see we got lights. This little LED isn't working, and this one isn't working as well. Now when I do this, and I think I may know the problem. Now when I twist, oh, y'all bear with me for a second. Stay right there. Just stay right there. Now if I twist the ground up for that side LED over there, just, you know, putting it on there. Lord, can't even hardly get it on there. Dang. Lord, why I always gotta be doing this wiring stuff? Stuff getting on my nerves. And I promise y'all, it's getting on my nerves. I think I know what it is though. But okay. Now when I put the ground for the little LED on the side and I turn it on, watch these lights. They flash, but then this one is working. Alright, so I think I just got one of my wires mixed up, or I just need to pull it back out and make sure all my connections are good. So y'all give me a second, let me finish this off. And then see, that's another thing too. I know it's got to be a ground or something, because as soon as I do that, it starts messing with this thing over here as well. Alright, let's figure it out. Alright, so yeah, that's kind of crazy. Every time that I would hook the side lights up, then the cup holders won't work. So what I'm thinking about doing, I think they did send me like a few other switches. I think I'm gonna grab me another switch and I'm gonna just try to hook that up a different way, and then that will run to the side lights, if that makes any kind of sense. All right, man, let's give it a try. All right, y'all, so man, I don't know what the problem was. I don't know, like, I guess they couldn't be hooked on the same circuit or something, man, because it was just making everything go haywire. But luckily we did have another one of these switches, man, so now we can turn this one on. We got our cup holders lit up. We could turn this one on, and boom, we got our side lights on each side. Yes sir, yes sir. Now I am gonna have to clean all this up, and I'm not gonna be able to get to the radio today. I do know for a fact, you know what I'm saying, we got to go back to the upholstery shop anyway. So what I'll just do is have him do another hole for that other switch somewhere, and we'll be able to get that locked in. But I ain't gonna make it too long for y'all, man, because I hope y'all enjoying the holidays, man. Happy Thanksgiving once again to each and every single one of y'all. If you don't celebrate it, hey, that's cool too. I still hope you're enjoying your day. Hey, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you turn your notification bell on to all, and leave a comment, man. Let me know that you locked in with the channel, man. And I thank and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Y'all enjoy yourself, make some memories, and hey, until next time, salute, salute, salute.